Yeah, I might have just been too early on it, man.
Where's the original? 283. Oh, okay, I got it on here.
Absorption
5 minutes.
sellers and Q.
All
Oh shit, you
right.
know what? I forgot. I forgot it's a 50K count. I
Yeah, you can't play around with these 50Ks.
forgot it's a 50K. I was like, dude, what am I doing? It's a 50K account. Um,
I am
isn't that poetic justice, man?
kind of curious to see. You know what? I'm gonna try. Gotta try, right?
I mean, as a bear, that's all we can do in this crazy bullish market.
Gotta
That's all
try.
we can do.
I'm gonna at least try.
Because I
See.
saw the same thing too. That's why I was like, I see the double top. I see it shorting on the Nasdaq. I wish it would kind of just do that on the ES instead of just playing around. Thank you. You know you want to drop.
Gotta try. We gotta try as bears.
Yeah, so yeah, originally last night, I saw this massive drop and I was like, huh. So what are they trying to do here? I mean, are they trying to rebalance for AMD earnings tonight so we can get that long later in the afternoon? Or are they trying to do some crazy stuff and bounce it and then dump it? So once I saw this, man, ES ain't gonna show me no love. She's gonna stop me out. Or I'm gonna hit
Oh,
daily loss limit in this account. I know it. If she doesn't drop right here, because I'm kind of heavy.
oh, you know what?
Man,
Okay. I see.
what do you
But
see?
okay, so I see a couple things. I see that these bulls are trying to be relentless and push it up, but I also see I should short it up here near 300. That's what I should have did. Cause that smaller
Yeah, thanks
time
a lot,
frame
Bulls. Thanks a
supply,
lot.
smaller time frame supply. We got supply up here. I should have took that. Would have been better. Cause they could actually go crazy. Push.
Okay.
Wait, how
All
much?
right. So I hit daily loss limit in that account. Um,
Cause they could actually
hmm.
got it rejected here. Damn. What? Yo, what? Oh, actually. Oh shoot. And then we have yeah, we had some stuff going on at uh
Yeah, we don't got anything until 9 o'clock, and that's
Absorption buyers
Jolt.
and Q.
yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I was agreeing with you.
Sell spot
Saw
and Q.
that news.
Mhm.
7 4 what they might do. Okay. I need to oh yeah. What I need to do is cut this one and we'll see.
Dude, like I can't. Dude, the ES ain't have to do that stupid shit. We're gonna probably get this chopped until about. Wow. Hmm. Nice, nice, nice,
3
nice, 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 nice.
We can get a flush down, but I don't. I don't. Ah, shoot! Forgot about. Damn it!
What'd you forget about?
I forgot about the damn. Wait, what? Oh shoot, the daily. That's what I forgot about on these things. Okay, that's my fault for trying to focus on two different things at once.
Okay. I mean, unless we completely take out this downward trend. So I mean, so they're buying.
By iceberg and
They're
Q.
definitely buying this market. I mean, after we got that double bottom, I think what I hate the most is that I saw this double bottom last night and did not trust it. I did not trust this double bottom last night at this low. Because I figured that they was going to really take this damn thing lower. What I was really looking for was them to take it back down to about, on the ES, about 55 or 54.65 to 60, somewhere in this range. But they bounce about 4 or 5 times in the same area, though. So they are buying. So they're buying it today. So let me get out this short. If I can get out this short at break even, that'll be awesome. But Jolts has historically been bearish, though.
Oh, yeah.
I've yet to see Jolts be a bullish event for the market.
That just sucks that they couldn't give me that. They couldn't give me that drop. Time is 8:40. Yeah, I see it. I see the push. I see it.
By stop and Q.
Okay.
307.
Stop ES buy.
So we got the 200 EMA on the ES though. 27. So what I'm gonna do is actually put this at 29, 20, and make an attempt to possibly scale into this somewhere, if I can.
Oh yeah, I need to look at it. Dang, it's a lot they gotta fight through though, but they could actually do it here.
By stop and Q.
Yeah, I might just yeah, I might just
Wow, wow, indeed. Wow, indeed.
By stop and Q. Stop ES
Wow.
buy.
Wow.
Where did all this bullish momentum come from? I guess, I mean, that is a double top. I mean, double bottom. Okay. So I'm going to possibly scale. I'm scaling right here.
That's about to cut me out.
I mean, if we trade past this high on the ES, I mean, we're done. What I'm trying not to do is get caught up in all this bullish momentum, because I think right now we're seeing it because, I mean, yeah, it's bullish. But I think think we're gonna flip bearish soon.
I get to 3. Oh, 319. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. It really got to 319. Oh, wow. Wow. Just took that. 343. That's crazy, actually.
Mm. Overthinking it. Yeah, it does look like
305. Okay, pushing orders.
you can't make this up. When the break evens, it's a support area for the whole market.
Your break even. Where are you trying to? Are you long or short?
So I went short. I got in too early initially. I got in short at around 20. I scaled in at 27 because I think the market's going to flip bearish. I don't trust this bullish move. I think we trade down today. We're trading down today.
Oh, damn. Dang, y'all just gonna give all that up like that? I mean, okay. 319. 319. Drop. Out.
So this is my last stance. This is my last stance. I kind of figured that they was going to do this on the ES because I don't know why I was up all night. I was just like, for some reason, I just woke up and I just had this this urge to trade. I stayed up. I saw that long opportunity and was like, well, they're going to probably flip short. So I got in short at, I think, what, 5?
Sell
I forgot
stop
where I
and
got it
Q.
short at initially. 550 or 512. I got in short at 512 last night around like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. When I tell you that it was about what 2 points away from my first target,
Sell
I was
stop
up
exhausting and Q.
$650. And for some reason, I just sat there and watched it and was like, nah, I'm not touching it. It might hit my target. I did not take that damn thing. And yeah, I had to stop out for a loss on that one, unfortunately. And I was given break even twice too, which is crazy.
Oh, dang.
Sell
Yeah.
stop exhausting and Q.
So the ES is just as addictive. I think we talked about this before. The ES is just as addictive as the NQ. It's a different type of addiction. It's
Sell stop
delayed
exhausting and
satisfaction.
Q.
You sit
Yeah.
there and you watch the charts move slowly, and then once you finally get that your target hit, all that stored up dopamine just releases all at once. Yeah, it's just as addictive, man. So my name is NASDAQ Anonymous, and I'm also addicted to the ES. And boy, is it one hell of a drug. Huh. The ES is one hell of a drug. Okay, so I mean, we got that rejection. I'm going to make the assumption that we at least see 504 before we see a bounce in the ES, at least 504. We got jolts in the next 15 minutes, so we could see, you know, a move to both sides, and then I guess the market's going to decide which direction it wants to trade in afterwards. But I think today's a red day. I think we're red today.
7. What have the past few days been? I didn't even check. They've been green. Well, yeah, they've been green. But super wicks on them. Extra room, please. Little extra room. It's dirty.
Yeah. So yeah, the Bulls are buying it off the 50 right now. Regarding Bulls. Yeah, if we can get this to slide past this low, I can definitely get that first target hit. Like I said, I think we can at least see 504 before we see the Bulls come in. And coincidentally, VWAP is exactly right here in this area on the ES. So we'll see if we'll get a bounce. We'll see.
Okay.
And
okay.
VWAP is exactly where price is right now on the NASDAQ. What do you think? You trusting it?
I'm expecting a VWAP bounce, but it's not looking too hot right now. It's not looking too hot. I won't lie. That's twice. Came into VWAP twice on here. I would love to see it, but it's not looking too hot.
Yeah. Yeah, well, there you go. Looks like it's about to break the upside, as does the ES.
Yeah, I think y'all got it.
What, you think the Bears got it?
Well, unless that was their big hurrah. 319 to 229. That is a big drop.
Yeah. You know that the Bears like to make it. They like to make us wait before they come and make an entrance. They like to come in all at the wrong times.
They like to be dramatic.
When everybody's bullish, that's when the Bears
Yeah.
want to come in.
Yeah, they like to be dramatic with it.
Sell stop and Q.
Rainbow Bears.
Oh shoot. Sell
Ah.
stops. Sell stops.
It says Rainbow Bears, when price gets the supply, they're stone face. But when it's trying to bounce off demand, that's when they come in heavy. What the fuck? They try to come in heavy at demand, like, yo, what the
Absorptions buyers and Q.
There it
They want to
goes.
come in heavy at demand, but they want to be all
Sellers
light
shoot
at
and
supply.
Q.
Like, what?
Sell stop and Q. Sell
Yeah.
stop exhausting and Q.
It really,
Oh, man.
yeah, it really don't make no sense.
Yeah, it doesn't, man. It doesn't. The market would be so much cleaner if, everybody just buy at demand, sell at supply. We can all make money and we can all go home. But no, the regarded bulls are going to buy. They don't care how high it is. They're just going to buy it. At least they're consistent. The Bears, on the other hand.
He said at least the Bulls are consistent. That's true. That's a true statement. No truer words have been spoken. Bulls will be consistent. The Bears, it's like, I can't depend on you.
At least the Bears are consistent.
I am
I'm not
playing
a
with
Bears, a Bulls.
fire, though. I'm playing with fire. I'm playing with fire.
I mean, I guess we could see. So we got the news coming out in 8 minutes. Like I said, I mean the algo is historically bullish, but Jolts is historically bearish. So I'm very interested. I'm interested to see what they do with this news release at 9. I'm interested to see what happens.
Okay, this is gonna push down. This is gonna push down. But well, I mean, Bears got the momentum. Yeah, this isn't gonna push down unless they're just preparing for that at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, for that push. I mean, VWAP is sitting right here at 508 on ES. It is in an area of demand, so I mean, if the market does push down into this, I wouldn't be surprised if the bulls come in and take over. I really wouldn't be. My name is Nonstop Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the ES. And boy, is she one hell of a thug.
I'm ready to press the button. No, I'm ready to press the button. Unless they in their rotation, I am ready to press the button. I mean, that would have to go up 60 something points from there just to hit that. Got point of control there.
I mean, so 27, 14, so that's only like what? 7,
Forward down.
14 points.
Dang, 5K. Dang, that's what's up. That is what's up. And they're doing everything I was looking at in the prior weeks. So maybe I just need to go back to that. My thesis. They're doing stuff in pre-market and not doing it in New York session.
Yeah, I'm starting to see that I'm starting to see that they actually are just doing everything in the pre-market now. So the bulls, so it just seems like when we was bearish or bullish, the bears came out in the pre-market. And now that we're bearish, the bulls are coming out in the pre-market. So I think the vibe right now is just a fade the pre-market move.
Right, and that's how it used to be. If you remember, it used to be like that. They pump it up pre-market, or they'll dump it pre-market, and then New York Open and fade whatever move they made. Yeah, this is done. They keep holding it though. They keep trying to push above and give me hope. I'm stuck in hopium right now. They keep doing it.
Are you long right now or are you short?
Yeah, I'm long.
Are you long?
Yeah, hoping that they would hold this and push, but
yeah, you know how this shit go, man.
My drawdown's about to get hit. It's about to get hit. No, no.
Inspires and Q.
Don't absorb it. Ah, damn it.
I got my drawdown.
No. Don't push any lower. Come in, bulls. What time is it? Algo, save us. Oh, we got 5. Oh, this is... I'm cooked.
Shit, y'all bulls had all the fun this morning, yo. My feelings was absolutely hurt. My feelings was hurt. I was like, but there was a break of structure right here.
Yo.
Why did it go short?
Yo.
My feelings was hurt last night, man.
Why did they go short? I'm cooked. I'm even cooked for micros. That's crazy.
Yeah, micros, I mean, they give you a lot of room for leeway, but you can get caught with them too. It's just that it takes a little bit longer. Like, it's not instant like minis, like shit. A good 5 or 10 or 5 points in the wrong direction and you're done. Minis will give you 10, or micros will give you 10. At least give you 10.
Alright. Now I'm just gotta sit and wait. Probably just gotta wait for the algo.
Sell stop exhausting and Q.
And what I'll do is, if we get a push...
Damn, look at that selling. Damn.
We get a push... Oh, no!
Yeah,
Hit the wrong button.
Ooh.
Oh,
all right, so let me look at this for you, man. Let me look at this for you. Okay, so
I'm trying
how bad is it, bro?
Oh, it's bad. It's pretty much done.
Are you in too deep?
I would have to be perfect in order to get this back, but
okay, so you're not in nothing right now?
No.
Okay.
It's pretty much blown. It's pretty much blown. I'm just trying to. I was trying to time the algo, time the algo and everything with a dare I say with a buy
Sells top
stop.
exhausting and
Like,
few.
why don't I trust in the Bears right now? But they're
weak, man.
I mean, they're doing. Wait. Oh no! Is this it? Is this? No. This ain't it just yet. We still got what? 5 minutes. All right, Alfred, watch this comeback. Watch this comeback, micro style. How many micros can I have?
I mean, let's see what they do at this 23% at 180, 179. I mean, I because like I said, I do think that we'll probably get a initial bullish reaction from the algo because it's historically bullish. But Jolts has never been bullish. It's always been bearish, or majority of the time it's bearish. Or we get a bearish reaction from Jolts.
There goes my opportunity. Damn it.
Price top and few.
That was my opportunity. Can we get a retest? Oh.
All right. We got 30 seconds.
Oh, that's why. Okay. 30 seconds. You know what?
Seconds.
Let's do this here. And then just in case if we get a push.
All right. 2, 1. Algo.
Oh,
Stop ES sell.
it don't even
Stop
matter.
ES
I'm
buy.
cooked anyway.
Stop and Q. Stop ES sell.
Okay. So what are you
Stop
trying to do?
ES buy.
Cooked.
I guess. Hold on. What do I have? All right. So I was like, I must have a buy stop right here.
Well, there you have it. Dang. Tried to do it. Tried to do it. Tried to do it. They probably gonna go for it. Yeah, they probably want to go for 200.
Okay, so the Jolts, oh shit, it came in better than expected.
So
It came in way better than expected.
so bearish.
Way better than expected. Yeah, see, the Jolts is we've never gotten a bearish react or a bullish reaction from Jolts. Never. Well, not okay. Let me rephrase that. Never is an absolute. It's rare, or it's historically we just don't see that.
Yeah.
It came in way better than expected, and we got FT tomorrow. So I'm pretty sure Powell's going to be looking at this and say, huh, so the job market's okay, huh? There's new jobs. There's new job opening.
The job market, huh? No rate cuts for you.
There we go, baby. There we go.
Okay.
Stop ES sell.
Dang, what a drop.
Sell stop.
I love to see it. I love to be a part of it even more. Ah. Yep.
Okay, so I got 4 more contracts on.
ESL.
Like I said, I think today's bearish, man. I think today's bearish. I mean, obviously we'll see our pops, but I think today is mostly bearish. The last
sell stop exhausting and Q.
Damn, look at this selling. I love to be a part of it. I hate to see you go without me. I hate to see it. Second.
Sell stop exhausting and Q.
Man, Talk about, talk about, talk about.
Retest of the overnight low, Alfred? What? That may
Yo, if this
be.
thing keeps dropping and we don't see a bounce,
Buy stop NQ.
let me look at the NQ because I was looking at this last night. Yo, we don't have no real support until about 18,995. I mean, and then that right there is questionable because it's a 30-point range between 995 and 960. So we got a range there of support. But if we get a break of that low, we get a break of that low around 940 if we get there. I mean, we have a low sitting at 883, which I'm pretty sure the bulls will come back in at 883 if, or somewhere close, if price trades into this area. I'm pretty sure we'll still get that bounce because we saw that break of structure from that level, and then we saw that pullback.
God.
So,
To see it. I hate to see it without me.
blasphemy.
Iceberg ES buy.
Wow. Come on, ES. Show your boy some freaking love. Show me some love. Drop a little bit more.
Drop again, 50.
Nice.
Yeah, I know what y'all doing.
Show me some love, baby. I'm trying. Okay, so I guess you ain't gonna show me no love. Fine.
Buy stop
Don't love me
NQ.
then.
Buy stop NQ.
Damn. You know, I was gonna actually. Guess I was just too slow at it.
$62.
Nice. Okay. All right, so this does kind of look like a bottoming pattern right here. This does kind of look like one. I mean, unless they sell it here at how many points am I up? 15. That does look like a bottoming pattern. Shit. Well, if they break 512, then they'll probably suck it right back up
Nice
into
top
about
NQ.
518. Price will be. Damn it. Nice.
Give me 1 second. Let me.
Nice.
You want to touch
Buy
VWAP
stop
again?
NQ.
Okay. All right. So yeah. Okay. All right. I mean, yeah. Unfortunately for
Consortium
this.
fires NQ.
Unfortunately.
Stop ES buy. Buy stop NQ.
Dang. Really? No two-legged
All right. Let's
pullback?
see if this is going to act as resistance here on the ES. Let me look at the Nasdaq and see what she's doing. See if she's at a trap high. I mean, we did have this big move down, but we also had this big move up. So I don't know.
19. I can't believe these levels are still. So I had the right idea. I'd say probably like last week. My timing was off, but I had the right idea. Every spot that I thought that they were gonna really like have resistance at,
Uh-huh.
but it's just my timing was off. That's the thing.
Yeah.
So last week I was saying like 290. I think we got to 97, I think, before they just dumped it. And then again, they just kept holding. And then they did all this stuff in pre-market, hitting the spots I wanted to see it hit pre-market. So yeah, my timing has been off. Need to figure that out somehow. Figure out the timing of all this. See, let me log out of here.
Absorption sellers and Q.
Okay. And the CBD is positive. The
Absorption
CBD
sellers
is
and
positive
Q.
right now, so there's more buying than selling. But it does appear that the market currently going down, unless they're buying on the low in the dark. Oh, I don't know if they even will pick that up, but they're buying. Let me see. I wonder if AMD is getting sold or bought right now. Let me actually look at that.
Oh, we got AMD earnings today.
Yeah, we have AMD and we have something else. Actually, I think I have the earnings calendar.
Iceberg
I think I have
ES5.
it for this week somewhere. Maybe I don't. Maybe I no. Actually, I don't. I thought I did, but I don't. Yeah, so AMD, let's see if it's getting bought or sold. Damn, AMD, like, yo, AMD is just a shell of its former self. I remember just trading AMD when I was trading options because obviously you can't afford NVIDIA. When you can't afford NVIDIA, you
Iceberg
trade AMD.
ES5.
Yeah.
Iceberg ES5. Iceberg ES5.
That's too funny.
Yeah, and all I would trade was AMD. And yeah, it is not like how it used to be, man.
Well, I remember when AMD was like stuck below, it was struggling to get over 100.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's when it lost its luster. Like once we got that break of 90 or 100 or whatever,
Yeah.
uh, it took COVID to save them. You know, I mean that's what's crazy. If COVID did not happen, AMD would not probably be where it's at right now. And the reason why I say that is because we all know that the reason why we're in this quote unquote new market is because when the Fed gave everybody those 0% loans, what these companies did was actually buy back their stocks. And that's why when you tried shorting it, you just got caught in a short squeeze because that's all these companies did was buy back their stocks, buy it back, buy it back, buy it back, which pumped it. And if that didn't happen, I don't know if AMD would have got back over it. Yeah, because it was struggling. Look how it used to like. It was. Well, I don't have the AMD chart on my screen, but yeah, it was struggling. And
Yeah.
it didn't get over 100 until about August of 2021. And that's when it made it back over 100 in August of 2021.
Dang, where's it sitting at now?
About like 130, 140.
Okay, yeah, I see it here.
Yeah, and they're selling it. I mean, it's sitting at demand. Somewhat sitting at demand, somewhat. The previous week low is at 136. So, it's sitting at 136. Let me actually look at the daily chart on this, and I can get a better gauge of. Yeah, this thing's going down. I think we'll initially probably see a downward move for its earnings, and then people will start buying it back up around 125, 127-ish.
Absorption spires and
Yeah,
Q.
125, 127. We might see some buying in that area. It's not financial advice, obviously, but um, I wouldn't be surprised if we see buying in that area. And if we do get a break, I mean, there's a lot of demand at that at 100. Which I mean, if AMD drops $30, $40, yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely a good steal to get in at.
Okay. Yes, are you gonna break my heart?
Been super
Yeah,
off
keep going.
this week.
You go up.
I said I've been super off this week. This week, last week, it's just
Yeah, I think you're just readjusting, man. I mean, you've been gone for so long, and now you're back in regular time, back in regular society. I think you're just readjusting, honestly, in my opinion.
yeah. That readjustment period.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be like that though. Just come in full on top of the game. James. I'd like to see some action.
Don't break my heart. Say you love me again. Okay. Yeah. And MD's going down. I mean, we've had, honestly, AMD has been going down for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days it's been red, yo. AMD. It's been red for 13 days straight.
Really? Why they treating her like
It's
that?
been red, yo. I don't know, man. Says you ain't NVIDIA. It says you ain't NVIDIA.
Video.
This whole time I thought AMD and NVIDIA was basically the same company, but I guess it's not. Or they did the same things. I thought all these chip companies did somewhat the same things because it's not like they're manufacturing their chips unless I'm mistaken. If I could have sworn they got all their chips from the same place.
I think the only company manufacturing their own chips and stuff is Intel, but then we already know how Intel they try to do it all, but Intel's crappy.
Yeah, Intel dropped the ball. Like I said before,
Sell stop and
Intel
Q.
should have. It got too comfortable, and that was its downfall.
Yeah,
They thought they were too big.
Yeah, being the most dominant back in the day and all that.
Yeah.
NVIDIA focused on that niche of quality. I think Intel was quantity. How many chips can we get put in these computers? It doesn't matter if they suck. Let's just get them. Let's just get them in all these computers and laptops. Like, nah.
Yeah.
We want quality, baby. All right, let me see. I should have both of these in here now.
Yeah. Once they had that monopoly with Microsoft, that's when they fell off, in my opinion. Because it's like, dude, what else do we have to do? And that was their downfall when they got. I mean, all their chips are in Microsoft computers, yeah. But you're no longer on top of the game no more, so.
Yup.
Okay, so the ES is making you wait for it. The ES is making you wait. So yeah, if we get a break, yeah, it does look like they're setting it up to drop it. Okay, I see it. Yeah, it does look like it's getting set up. Let's look at the NASDAQ. So what are you thinking on the NASDAQ right now? I do see that it trapped high above 240, 244. Oh, there we go. As we talk about the devil shall come. Yeah, I see this trap high, and obviously the trap
Stop
bears or the trap
ESL.
bulls are getting stopped out of their position.
Yeah, they're getting
Sell
hurt.
stop NQ.
Their feelings
Stop
getting hurt.
ESL.
Damn.
Sell stop
Man, look at that
NQ.
drop.
Stop ESL. Sell
Baby,
stop
come
NQ.
on, man. Like, stop doing that. Stop doing that. Hit that target, baby. Show your boy some love. Hit that target. I'll take it. I'll take it this time. I'll take it.
Order rejected.
I'll take it.
Rejected. That's y'all being too slow, not me. Six. Okay, I'll be a believer this time. I'll be a believer. Man, she can be just.
Come on, ES. Just break this low, man. Just break it. Just break it. God damn. I'm tired of waiting for it. Oh my god, dude. All right, man. I just need 502, man. That's it. And she playing with it, man. She playing with it. Come on. Just give me 502. Just give it to me. All right, man.
But you need 502 for.
For this position I'm in. Not the one that's on stream, but an off-screen position. I got another account that's short, and I have my target at 502. And you saw that she double bottom at 503. And okay. Okay, I think this might be it right here. You see what I'm talking about? The Rainbow Bears? They got all the momentum. And where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found.
Yeah, that is kind of crazy, though. Actually, this could mess around.
Sell stop NQ.
Okay, never mind. Thought I saw that it could mess around and try to flip long here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why I'm trying to hurry up and get out of this position. Try to get out of majority of this position. Because if it does flip long, well, at least I have majority of the profits already locked in, but she playing with it. Just one more push, baby. That's it. Just one more push to the downside.
So, you gotta clarify that. To the downside, NQ.
I think we get it, man. But yeah, these bears are taking their sweet time, man. They are taking their sweet time with this.
They love to do it.
Sell stop NQ.
Okay, almost there, boo. Just 2 more points. Just give me 2 more points. Come on, baby. Come on. 2 more points. There we go. There we go. Thank you. Thank you, boo. That's
Sell
all I
stop
wanted.
exhausting NQ.
Now, majority of this off. Majority of my this position is off. I can let the rest run. Okay, cool. 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 Dang. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about.
I need to
That's what I'm
see.
talking about. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about.
I
Not
just
that.
now saw your
Okay,
comments.
so I'm up about 1,500 right now between two accounts, off stream and on stream.
Oh, nice.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Iceberg ES buy.
I probably might take one off right here because she was playing with
Sell
it.
stop exhausting NQ.
So I got 3 on.
What's the next ideal place to drop? Dare mess around with potential double bottom. Okay.
All right, so I'm out that position. I'll take that. I'll take that because I was showing it. I don't want to monitor 2 accounts at the same time. Okay, so what I'll do with this,
Buy stop
I'm in
NQ.
3. I gotta remember this is not the NASDAQ. So I'll put this, I'll trail this above this high. So I'm locking in about, let me lock in about 10 points of profit. Let me lock in about 10 points just in case.
Buy
I'm
stop
locking about,
NQ.
yeah, about 10 points of profit. And I'll just trail the rest of this. I'll trail this one. I have a majority of my position at 10 points. And I have one taken off right here just in case we do see a bounce. That's the one thing I have to add with my game with the ES because you got to trail with the ES. You can't let your profits evaporate because it just ain't the NQ.
Yeah, the NQ will come back, give you chances, give you a break even, maybe a couple points, and then especially if you know you're on the wrong side too.
Yeah. Most definitely, man.
Should give you all the chances in the world, all the time in the world. Hey, here it is. But then at that same time, like, no, there's hope. We can hit these targets now. We can do it.
Yep, that's how
Sell
it is
stop
for real.
exhausting NQ.
That's exactly how it is. Cause it's like last night, man, it gave me it gave me break even, and then it gave me a solid, and I was $650 to kind of elaborate more on the story.
Sell stop
And my
exhausting
target was
NQ.
literally 2 points away. Now it gave me break even because I took a couple of points in drawdown when it was super bullish last night, and it dropped. And on top of it dropping, it gave me $650. And I saw that price was, I told myself price is going to bounce up to 21 EMA. I said, nah, it's going to trade through it, knowing that it never trades through the 21 EMA, dude. It don't trade through the EMA. It don't trade through that EMA. But hope is such a powerful drug, it convinced me to say, nah, it'll trade through it this time. And I believed it because I wanted to. I believed it because I wanted to believe it.
Yeah.
It didn't trade past the 21 EMA. It didn't. I don't know what it is, man. It's like, why is that so consistent with the like why is it when you get on these charts, it does the same thing? You know that it does. I mean, you have these EMAs on your chart for a reason. It does specific things when it gets to these EMAs. And then when you're in a position, you're hoping that it doesn't do it. When it's like, why does that make sense? But hope is a powerful drug, man. Hope is very powerful.
Okay, something real quick. They've been holding this. I think I just may have gotten away with it. I think I may have gotten away with it. So they flip long here then. Yeah. Well, okay.
Sell stop NQ.
Well, at least on the
Sell
ES,
stop exhausting NQ.
we're still in the downward trend.
Oh yeah, for sure.
We didn't have a
Sell
strong
stop
close
exhausting NQ.
underneath this low. There's no strong close, but the bulls are trying. And like I said, it's interesting because the CVD is still positive, but at least on the hourly chart, it is about to turn negative on Bookmap. It's a positive 170 around that area. But I think this is like the minute chart. I don't know what the left-hand chart is. Maybe 5, whatever minute that is.
Sell stop
It's still
exhausting
positive
NQ.
$3,400 or 3,400. So um, I'm keeping a close eye on that. But the hourly chart, yeah, look at that hourly chart. I think we're good. If you look at the hourly chart, that's super bearish. You got to break below that candle. We got a strong close underneath that prior candle. I think we're good, bro. If you're short.
Yeah.
Sell stop NQ.
Yeah, because the NASDAQ is going to have to recover. So it's going to literally have to recover this whole move to be considered bullish on the higher time frame for higher time frame traders to want to long this. So I think if you're short on NASDAQ, I think you're good. And the same thing for the ES, because this whole candle would have to recover past 518, and then it would be considered bullish. So I think we're good. We just have to be patient and wait for it.
65, 50. Yeah, there's a lot of targets down here. Looks like that they're shooting for a lot of targets they're shooting
Absorption
for down
sells
here.
NQ. Sell stop NQ.
If they get them,
Iceberg ES buy.
come on, y'all gotta break it. Y'all gotta break it. Got to break it down. Ah, yeah.
So what are you looking at right now?
These orders. I was just looking at all their, excuse me, all their targets down here and 150s now. So I'm trying to just get this last little scout down to it.
Sell stop NQ. Stop ES sell.
Yeah, that's dirty. That's dirty. That was dirty.
54, is that the low? Yeah, 154.50.
That was dirty, bro. That was dirty.
Resistance.
That was dirty. That was dirty.
Resistance. Yeah, that's shot
So,
up.
I mean, we did. Well, it's not. I mean, we're not getting strong breaks. I mean, it's obvious that price is trending down. So I'm looking at the Nasdaq now. We do have 2 downward trend channels. We do have 2 downward trends. Like they started one right here. They broke out of it and created another downward channel. So it's like 2 downward trend channels in the same area. So we got this one. They tried to use it as support. They trapped high at 243. So if you got, I mean, if you have a runner target, I think the market is trying to. I think we can get to 1995 if we stay in this downward trend. If we stay in it, we can get to 1995. Actually, let me look at the my chart real quick on the other one real quick. All right, so we had a rejection there. It made a 100% move. Hey, just be careful right here. The market just made a 100% move, and it's looking like
Iceberg ES sell.
it wants to find support.
Iceberg ES buy.
Yeah, I'm monitoring carefully.
But if we can get this break, we can see 95. If we can get this break down, we can see 95. So if you want to have a trailing position, and you can endure the back and forth, I would have one at 1995.
Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES sell.
For the ES, I mean, we have to break. I mean, we could see No, if they get back down here to 82, we're definitely running these lows, and we can possibly see 54.60 today. We can possibly see that today.
Sell stop NQ. Buy iceberg NQ. Absorption sellers NQ.
But we can possibly see some the bulls try to come back in around 98, 93-ish. 98 to 93. We can possibly see them try to come back in.
Sell stop NQ.
Bro, come on. Come on. NQ.
Yeah, I know this thing is painful. Like, dude, like what's going on? Just get to where you need to go. Like, why are you doing this stuff?
Bro, come on. 58. 58. Damn, thank you. First
Sell
one.
stop NQ. Sell stop exhausting NQ.
Stop
Sell
44,
stop NQ.
40.
Stop ES sell. Stop ES sell. Stop ES sell. Sell stop
let's see.
NQ.
Why is this
Buy
not?
iceberg
Oh,
NQ.
because I hit
Stop
the.
ES sell.
Did the wrong button. That's supposed to be buy stops, not sells. I had limits sitting up at 84. It's supposed to be buy stops. Okay. Next spot, we got 37. Made it past 60. Ah, you don't retrace back to it. Potentially. Got 37 and then 120. You talking about 95? 95 on what? ES or NQ?
NQ 1995.
Dang. It's a big move down. I'm just looking at 120 as being
Sell stop exhausting NQ.
got 37
Sell
and
stop
120.
exhausting NQ. Sell stop NQ.
Ooh, maybe the 130s here. Coming into that. Okay.
Sell stop NQ. Stop
Okay.
ES sell. Stop ES sell.
So we got 120 on the Nasdaq. Yeah, 1995 is. I mean, but I'm not saying that we'll bounce there. I'm saying that we can possibly get there. It can possibly go lower because if we get a break of 1995, the next level of support, like I said, is 18,995 to about 60.
Sell stop NQ.
Oh, no way, no way, no way. NQ.
No, I'm taking that.
You serious, NQ? Did it stop at 120 on the 120.25?
I'm taking that.
Bro. Just let it. Yeah, thank you. Alright. Jeez Louise. It didn't have to be like that. It didn't have to even be like that, though.
Sellers NQ.
You still got a runner in there, or you all out?
And I'm done. Alright. So,
Sell stop NQ.
I guess the game for today would have been patience. Actually, if I would have taken that original,
Sell stop NQ.
that 319, 320 I was looking at previous, like last week.
Well, here comes that 1995. Here it comes. It's almost here.
Look at this. You just know this is gonna get bought up, though. Eventually.
I don't think so today, man. Like
Not
I said,
today.
Joe's has never been. We've never seen a bearish reaction from. Well, I gotta stop saying that. We have not seen a bearish reaction or a bullish reaction from Jolts. Just look at Jolts. We have not seen it. It's like they use Jolts to sell the market off. I don't know why, but they just do. They just do.
Well, there's some pre-market demand down here, so that's where they came in and started buying it up around 100. 100 to like 75, 76. Big old range. Did we see another pullback? A pullback to go lower. Yeah, playing around with this was kind of dangerous. This potential double bottom here. I mean, we broke through, but historically, you mess around with that, tends to go back up, at least like to VWAP or something, or mid price or opening price, then go in your favor. Shaking people out left and right.
That's the name of the game, baby. Get as much people out as possible.
Yeah.
No, well, use as much people as liquidity as possible.
To fuel the moves.
Yeah, to feel the move down.
Stairs down.
Okay, so yeah.
Buy stop and Q.
I mean, I guess they could start to
Buy stop and Q.
probably put this.
Like the hourly.
Start really trailing this.
What it seems like they've been doing on the hourly is, because they bought it, they pulled it back before on this hourly candle, and just fought our way back down. So let's see.
Nice. Nice, thank you. Nice.
You in anything?
I'm just still in the short.
Oh,
Buy stop and
on
Q.
ES?
Yeah.
Where are you looking to target?
Stop
I'm looking to
ES
target
buy.
60 ultimately. Hopefully I can stay into this probably below like at 62. I got another target at 75. Probably put this at like 77 or something.
Oh. Hmm.
Yeah, I'm looking for this to continue to trade to the downside. I mean, I got 2 runner contracts. Got 2 runners. I mean, I don't think we make a full recovery. Not now. Maybe.
Absorption sellers and Q. Buyer sweep ES.
Looking at your chart,
Buyer
it's looking
sweep
like
ES.
it's trying to stair step down.
Yeah. I think so. That's why I'm trying to find a really good area to keep my stop, but at the same time locking some profits, because right now I'm up 30 points on 2 contracts. Right now, if it were to come back and hit my stop,
Put it at
this
there.
is 15 points right here.
Oh, never mind.
Iceberg
You don't
ES
think it's
buy.
gonna bounce at that S3, that range, that 54.89?
Iceberg ES buy.
No.
You think
I mean, the reason why I say that, and I'll explain why, is this is the ES. The NASDAQ, yeah, I would have been completely concerned, and I would have been like, nah, let me try to get this profit as much as possible. With the ES has to do certain things before it can just bounce. First, we have to break out of this this trend channel first. We got to break out of it first. Right there, about right there. Yeah. Maybe like right. Yeah. We got to break out of this channel first. And then once we break out of this channel, they
Stop
got to find
ES
support on
sell.
top of this channel. We saw that they just trapped high right here. We got to break of the structure. They trapped high, and now there's. So I mean, there's a lot of technical things that the ES has to do before it bounces. That's why it's kind of more. You can kind of do more things with the ES. Now with the NASDAQ, we all know that shit, it gets to a level, is going to bounce. It doesn't need to set itself up, it'll bounce. But the ES, for the most part, respects chart geometry. It respects it for the most part. But why would you think that it may bounce at S3? Are you just looking at it, or
Yeah,
are you seeing something that maybe I'm missing?
just looking at it.
Just looking at it. I mean, it could. I mean, this is the top of this range right here. S3 is at the top of this range.
Oh,
And that's
actually,
probably why it's there. You said
yeah,
what?
actually, okay. Maybe we get 490. That 490, 489. Hold on, let me look at a different time frame. That's the 15-minute. Oh, but then this hourly says different.
Yeah.
The hourly is
does,
bearish as that.
Yeah.
Gonna give back all these pre-market moves.
Yeah. So I am keeping my eyes on this area. If we can, I mean, we may see an initial bounce possibly from this area, like the bulls trying to buy here. But what I'm looking for ultimately is a break of this structure, a retest of this range, and then that move down. That's what I want to see. That's what my bias is telling me to see.
All right. What happens if you don't get it? If it doesn't do that, then what? What's your game plan?
Well, I mean, I'm trailing this. I mean, at least right now, I'm guaranteed 15 points for right now. I'm guaranteed 15 points out of 28. So I'm only giving up 13 points on 2 contracts, which is times 5 times 2, $130. So I'm risking $130 to make more. I mean, I'm not going to say that I wouldn't be frustrated. Actually, what I should do, because maybe give myself a little bit. No, I got to keep it at the top of this range because if we see, okay, so what I'm trying to really determine here on the ES is if we do see a bounce, which I mean it can. We just had this massive move to the downside. Where could we see that rejection? Well, I do see a rejection here, or we do see the 200 and VWAP at 507. I do see the 50 EMA at 501. So if it does get above this area and it keeps going higher, then at least I'm guaranteed 15 points. At least. But we did have a break of structure at 505, and it was a strong close underneath that. So I'm going to make the assumption that bears are going to be sitting here. We do have this trend channel going down, and at least for right now, the bears are protecting it for right now. So I also see that the NASDAQ is about to bounce as well. But let's see what happens at 160, 170 on the NASDAQ.
Stop ES buy.
Yeah, because if it gets back up
We got
into
that.
this,
Go ahead.
this is where it potentially was going to double bottom at that 170 area. If NASDAQ gets back up there and like rejects, that'll be interesting to see.
Yeah, because I mean, it's like I said, it's hard to trust bearish price action now, especially with this bullish market. But we got a strong close underneath that 170, 160 range. They're coming back to retest it. You have the 21 EMA right above it. I'm going to make the assumption that the bears come back in, that's where they're going to sell. However, we know that the bears only come out when we don't want them to be here. So we'll see.
Yeah, that's true.
You done trading for the day though?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, I kind of figured as much.
Yeah.
I mean, you look at an ES chart, I was like, yeah, he's probably done.
Yeah, you know I'm done. I'll look at an ES chart. Yeah.
You know what chart you didn't look at today?
YM. What's... Damn it, YM. Man, YM be going, man. I'll be sleeping on it. Just add some freaking size to it and go.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Let me pull it back up. Oh man. Oh, I don't have YM on this. I don't have the data for it, so it's delayed. Eh. Eh.
Okay. Okay, so at least technically, we somewhat got a break of this trend channel,
Sell
and if the
stop
bulls find
NQ.
support here, then I'll be worried. But the bears protected the top of this. Well, they're so far they're protecting it, and they're trying to trade price back into this range, into this channel. If the bulls fail, which is highly likely that they will, and price can close right back in this trend channel, then my targets is definitely getting hit. But if they find support and they break out from it, then my trailing stop might get hit. So
You don't want to put
all
it
in all, I'll
at.
be done for the day as well. I only lose $130 if I get
Absorption
if it
sellers
comes back from
NQ.
my stop. What are you thinking for FOMC? What do you think is gonna happen?
And FOMC, like, what Papa Powell's gonna do?
Hmm. Or well, let's rephrase that because we know he pumps it. What do you think is gonna happen before?
I don't know. I don't think so. Okay. People are talking, they're still talking chance of rate cuts. I don't know if he's gonna do that just yet. I think, well, hold on. We got, when is the next CPI? Is that also coming out?
I think it's should be next week if I'm not mistaken. It should be next week. Let me check. But I think it's next week. If we get a good CPI or whatever CPI that the market's looking for, then yeah, we can definitely see a big reaction to that. But I just realized that this week is going to be crazy. Okay, so they found support on this trend channel, so price may be going for my stop, unfortunately. But
Move it to 507. That stop to 507.
So I guess it's not next week. Maybe it's the third week of maybe it's the
Sell
third week.
stop
Anyway,
NQ.
so do you know we have FOMC, we have Meta, Apple, the chip stocks, and then in this week we
Sell
have
stop
non-farm
NQ.
payroll. This week is jam-packed full of volatility. And I know that all these prop firms are looking out their window, rubbing their hand like Birdman. Like, yeah, we about to get paid this week. Top Step ain't giving out no recess this week. No recess this
Absorption
week.
spires NQ.
No resets.
No resets. They're gonna blow them accounts.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got a lot of volatility this week.
Yep. Okay, let me see if I can. I'm trying to recap what happened today. So, yeah, 8:30. Right here in this candle,
That's what I'm
8:30.
talking about, bulls. I mean bears. Well, yeah, bulls fail. We need your stops so we can continue this trend down lower.
So I'm gonna fail. Okay.
We need them stops down lower.
Pre-market.
But yeah, the ES is definitely. I mean, we talked about this with the ES, man. I don't know why I switched back to the Nasdaq. I mean, it is like it's a cleaner high in my
Stop
opinion
ES sell.
with the ES. It's a cleaner high.
A cleaner high, you mean it's not as not as emotional, and yeah, as
It's dude, it's like a perfect blend. It's like you go into a dispensary and it's that exotic shit that they got in the bag that you gotta be cool with the owner to get. Like that's the feeling that I feel. But the Nasdaq is like, dude, it could be laced with fentanyl or something like that. Crack. You don't even know what you gonna get.
yeah, yeah, that is too funny.
But yeah, ES is that good shit. Like, I mean, looking from the outside in, if you trade Nasdaq, it's like, man, it's so slow. But then you get into a position, and then at least for me, it's like I look at the charts, and it's like, okay, so if it does this, then it's more likely to do that. And it's like, obviously you're emotional because your money is on the line, but your heart's not beating. It's not like, oh man, one wrong move and I can be out of this position. But the ES is like, as long as you get in at a good spot, it'll chop around for a while. But then once you see it finally break down, you see the technicals, you see literally the market participants failing to do something. And if you're on
Yeah.
the right side of the market, like your target gets hit after all that wait and that delayed satisfaction, and then that dopamine hit once that target hit. It's like, wow. Yeah, the ES is a drug, dude.
Yeah.
Wow. Clean.
Well, I need to see them break 100 on Nasdaq.
Oh, did we touch that 95 level yet? They're fighting it.
We didn't even
They're
break.
fighting this.
Yeah, we didn't break 100. I think that's where their goal is, at least for now. We got orders sitting at 1900 all the way down there. I don't think this one can touch though. At least, I mean,
Like I said, I mean, it does look like they found a support on the Nasdaq, and it is they're trying to buy off the top of this trend channel on the ES. I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell because I mean we did have a significant drop. Price is low enough for the bulls to come back in and try to buy this up. But
yeah,
as a bear, you just want to see how low this damn thing can get. You just want to see it go as low as possible.
how low can you go? Yeah. Yeah, 15
Oh yeah,
minute.
okay, yeah, that's a failure, dude. They dude, it's the bulls is like these regarded bulls are. I mean, like I said, you can't get mad at these regarded bulls because they're consistent.
They are. They are consistent. Bears, on the other hand, they come out in like spurts.
And then when they do come out, you don't even know if they're in control or not. Like today, I mean, if you look at the chart, you can see like, okay, yeah, the market is definitely going down. We have room for downside, but if you didn't look at the charts and notice that, and without knowing the context and the direction where the market wants to go, you would think that the bulls will come in at any point because of how weak the bears are right now.
Yeah.
But it seems like the Nasdaq is loving that 117 level. It's loving this. Oh, okay, so that's why. It's that 50% fib that they're trying to bounce it off of. But if we do no, okay, no, I don't think so. Yeah, I'm looking at this now. This is I got a 9K chart for the Nasdaq, and yeah, we got this big leg down. I'm pretty sure they're gonna match this energy.
Finally
match this energy.
Finally about to go for it.
Yeah, we can possibly see 923 today, possibly as well. We can possibly see 923. And if we see 923, that 995 level that I was talking about, it's not too far off.
Stop ESL.
Well, they need to get through 100 first, but man, at this point, looking at this chart, I think they pretty much got it.
Yeah.
But Bulls have been trying to hold it off here around this area, so we'll see.
Iceberg ESL.
I mean, all it really take is a flush from the Bears, but they it's like you said, you don't know. Wish I could show you all this chart. So much potential demand down here.
Okay, so I mean the ES has been trading in this one big giant range. So I mean I don't like looking at a higher time frame chart on the ES. Yeah, we could see that bounce at 90, honestly. Now that I'm looking at it at S3 level, we could see that. We could see that. We could see that. But like I said, I'm hoping for them to break 86. I'm hoping for them to break that level.
All right, we're approaching 100. They gonna shortchange it, or they gonna smash through it?
Smash, 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 smash.
Smash.
Run them stops. All right, let's see if I'm gonna get my imaginary target hit on the NASDAQ.
Stop
Oh,
yeah.
baby,
ESL.
please. Please.
Absorption
No,
cells
no.
NQ.
Why?
Cells top
Don't
NQ.
do it. Hit 95. Please.
97. I know, right? It's like, man, just hit it so I could feel validated. They literally 2 points and a quarter from 95.
Did it hit it? Did it
No.
hit it? Yo, that's crazy, man. NQ.
What about your short? Oh, okay, yes, see. Dang, you moved your. Oh,
All right, so I might just take off one more here. And I'm just gonna let this one run. So I'm not risking that much. So I've locked in. Oh, y'all can see. Y'all should see my P&L. Y'all should see it. Okay, so I'm willing to risk this. I'm gonna let this. Oh shit! Look at that.
Iceberg ESL.
Yo, NQ.
Stop
Yo.
ESL.
95,
Hit it.
20, 95, 25.
ESL.
I ain't get my target hit yet. It missed me by a tick.
95, 25. Nah, she gonna try to go for them lows, pre-market lows.
Hold on, what was pre-market lows?
76. It's like 20 points away. Got your target hit.
90, 60. Target hit, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Okay, yes.
See, I told you, Smith. I told you should have held it until 1990, 1995.
I'm good.
You know what? I think they might try to bounce it. They might try to. Okay, so
Sell iceberg NQ. Stop ESL.
let's see what they do here at this
Sell
double
stop
bottom at
exhausting
80, 81.
Sell
So I'm up
stop
40
NQ.
points in this position.
Sell stop NQ.
Well, NQ just ran its lows. And here we go.
Iceberg ES box.
Keep
Oh
going.
shit!
Seller
Forgot.
sweep ES. Seller sweep
And
ES. Stop ES sell.
I forgot.
do I gotta start trusting the Bears again? Like, still don't feel comfortable trusting them. Look at this. Look at
All right,
this
so we're at the
drop.
bottom of this channel. At the bottom of this channel.
Sell stop NQ.
Damn.
How's your ES position? Oh,
Stop
I'm
ES
up
sell.
45 points, baby. 45 points in this position. From the top. We're gonna get this bottom, baby. We're gonna get it.
dang, NQ. Dang, look at that. Can't
All
even
right,
can't catch a bid right now.
Nope. And this is why, like, look, remember how this feels. Remember, when we're at like supply and the market is not doing this,
Sell stop and
that's when
queue.
you know it's going up. Like we know what the market looks like when it's going down. It does exactly this. We know what it
Iceberg
looks
ES
like.
sell. Seller sweep and queue. Buyer sweep ES.
Now I ain't
Buyer
gonna be
sweep
foolish.
ES.
I mean, I'm gonna lock a lot of this in. I ain't gonna be foolish.
Not gonna wait for your 460. Oh dang, in queue. Like where did? Okay, let's look at the timing. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. Get this super move down. Nvidia's down 5%. Hold on.
Sure, I do this. Look at
Nvidia's at 105.
105. Hey, it still has more room for downside. All right, so the ES is definitely still dropping, baby.
Stop ES sell.
Definitely still dropping.
I think you should take 470.
I'm looking at that too, bro. Yeah, 270 might be that level that I need to take it from. Actually, like I said, I'm gonna probably trail this. I'm gonna trail this one candle. I'm gonna trail it one candle.
Sellers
If
and
it pops back up, then I'm just out of the position. But I made 50 points on the ES intraday.
Congrats.
Congrats.
Looking for
Congrats.
Alfred, you still trading this? That's your target, 19K? Oh, you down to a runner.
Absorptions, buyers and queue.
Damn.
Smith, I told you, man. You should have held, man.
I need to hold
Shoulda
though.
held it.
There's no point. I already hit my max profit. But
Okay.
after blowing accounts though, freaking A.
Yeah.
Stop ES
Damn.
sell. Sell stop and queue.
It required a sacrifice. Too many
NQ
of them.
requires sacrifice. We all know this.
She
We know
does.
this.
She does.
The NQ requires sacrifice.
Try not to let. Yeah, I was definitely the sacrifice.
Account
Dang,
sacrifice.
man. And why can't. It's just so frustrating. This is frustrating to watch. Right.
Absorption, sellers and queue.
Blow right through
Sellers
19.
and
Sorry,
queue.
guys. I got
Sell
to.
stop and queue.
I gotta put this on Twitter.
I gotta put this on Twitter.
Four 60, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, nope. We're not doing that, ES. You're gonna keep dropping.
How many points you up in it?
I'm gonna get this like. I think it might bounce somewhere in this area. I think we might see a bounce. Well, not a bounce, but we might get like a random push up to the upside, possibly, unless they just straight run it.
Not on NQ.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Not on NQ.
That's what I'm talking about.
That thing is just dropping.
Nope, it hit that. It hit 1995. If that shit don't bounce at 60, this shit is done. It's done. That's what I'm talking about.
Iceberg ES buy.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
How many
Keep on
fibs?
pushing down.
Alright, I got
But I
950.
we'll trail this though. I will trail this because it's gonna bounce out of that 65 that it bounced out right now, 60, or this can just keep going.
Absorptions, buyers and queue.
976.
Okay, I'm out. All right, I'm out. Wow, what a ride! What a fucking ride! What a ride! What a ride, baby! What a ride!
You was in that
What a
from
ride.
what, like 9 to about an hour, little over an hour?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, guys. I gotta put this on Twitter. That was funny. Let's see what it does if it gets this golden fill on my chart. Let's see. how it reacts out here at 950. But I'm seeing stacked orders up here.
By stop
Good
and
thing I
Q.
got out, baby. Look at that. Look at that. It bounced at 65, or at least we're getting a bounce at 65. So I think I caught the top, and I think I just caught the bottom. Talk about an ego hit, but let's see.
Yeah, congrats on y'all's gains there. Dang,
Alfred said that
Alfred.
he wasn't able to run her.
He looking for the next 100 points down.
Mm.
I mean, I get, yeah. Hold on. Let's see. Look at the charts. Look at these charts. Okay, that checks out. Look at this one.
Okay.
Oh, we tapped into it. Okay. Tapped in. 882. Let's expand this.
Of course, it's gonna keep going. Ooh, what a ride, man. When I say that the ES is a drug, delayed satisfaction. Delayed. Oh man, this feels so good.
Like I said, congrats to y'all for sticking through that.
Yeah, because these bears was definitely it seemed like they didn't want to show up. I mean, they were grinding it down, and it actually may bounce here, actually. Like I said, this actually may be a bounce. But I'm not playing that game, not today. After a victory like that, I'm just going to. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna bounce. Yeah, looks like it's gonna bounce.
4 hourly. I'm so low. 976.
Yeah, I'm gonna separate from the charts today. Gonna take that victory and run with it.
Victory lap. Yeah, look at that. I'm like 50 something, over 50 points on ES.
All right, so let's look at the Nasdaq. Look at yo, dude. Yo, look at that.
Stop
Damn, look at that
ES5.
bounce. I should have took it. I'm glad I got out of it, but what I really want to start doing is actually getting back in, because yeah, we're seeing that bounce on both the Nasdaq and the ES in that area that we talked about
By stop and Q.
before the price action was even on the charts. We call these levels out, and people still doubt us. Why do people still doubt us, yo? Like, we don't do this every day. Before the price action was even on the chart, we calling these levels out, man. But I just had a feeling that if the Bears did not
Stop
protect this
ES5.
995 area, that we just had more room for downside. And it did run that 995, but it bounced at 975.
Absorption sellers and Q.
Still in that range
Buy
between
iceberg and
960 and 995 that I was looking at. Still got that bounce there. But let's see if the Bulls are going to be able to hold this. But, I mean, if you ain't got nothing, that's going to be my last trade for the day. That's my last trade. I'm not trading anymore. I'm just going to take this victory and come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, I mean, well, I guess before we end the stream, I mean, you saying that you was just having a hard time adjusting. I mean, if you want to talk about it amongst friends, I think this is what our stream before. Like, what do you feel like you're not in tune with? Like, what do you feel like you're missing?
Well, one thing, my timing. I was good with the ideas that I had, that I was looking at, actually, like I was saying earlier, last week. But it didn't do it during New York session. What did they do? They fell short. And then they came in pre-market of course, and took it to all the spots that I wanted to see get hit.
Mm-hmm.
And then today they retested. So I had last week I wanted to see 319 get hit, I think, or 320, but I had a target of like 318. That's when it was struggling for like 300, I think. When price was struggling to get over 300, I think it stopped at like 297 and then dropped viciously over 100 points in like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. And then, they do their thing pre-market, take it all the way back up, test those, I think it was 350, 360, whatever that, because you had called 360 like to the T, and I think it hit it maybe like a point above to the T. So it came back, which I was also looking at that area, and it came back over there, I think pre-market, and then I don't know. So it's just my timing's been off. I gotta get that back on point, and then recognizing certain things during New York session.
Yeah, I definitely agree. Timing is very crucial. Timing is definitely very crucial. I used to actually track when reversals happened on the NASDAQ a while back, and I had an Excel sheet where it was like, okay, the market reversed at this time, the market reversed at this time. And the market does reverse around that 10 to 10:30 before going into lunch consistently. I guess on news days, I mean, obviously if there's news days, that would be the outlier. But on a normal basis, around 10:30 on the NASDAQ is where we see the reversal. We see the market set itself up in the pre-market, and we see during the New York session, either we see a fade of the pre-market setup or a continuation. So obviously it takes out pre-market low or it takes out pre-market high normally, but then sometimes it does both. So it's like, well, like today, I think it did both. Hold on, did we take out Yeah, we took out pre-market high. I think so.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we took
we
out
did.
pre-market's high. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's the thing. Like so that when it used to do that, like on a regular, I had so much confidence in like fading the pre-market moves because it would do the opposite in New York. Usually I open. I took this is a while back, but I think we dropped in the pre-market. So I'm like, yeah, I know New York's gonna come in and buy this up. So I took a long near the bottom. And of course, it extended the drop a little bit, but ultimately ended up pumping back up. And I was like, okay, yeah. But I never lost any confidence in that in the New York session, taking it back up. That's what I'm trying to get back to. Right now, it's kind of just like, okay, yes, in the past, I've seen them, but we had this big move up pre-market.
Sell stop NQ.
And then I have seen a continuation, but now I guess I got to get used to. I don't know. I got to get used to this again. I don't know. It's hard to explain.
Yeah, I mean, as a NASDAQ traders, we get it, man. We get it. We definitely get it.
Stop ES5.
Yeah, because I mean, you talking about YM. I mean, we all know that the NASDAQ is the ultimate. You don't want her crazy little sister, her crazy cousin. You don't want her. She ain't gonna give you the same. She gonna treat you even more dirty. She ain't gonna.
YM.
I'm just looking at a YM chart. It don't even give you break even. Like once you set your limit, either you're red or you're green. It don't even come back to your break even. It just goes. Just goes.
Dang, YM just had a good drop off of that too, and now a good recovery. Well, recover about.
Seems like YM don't really play games like that for real.
Yeah, recovered about almost half the move.
Yeah, and AMD is still dropping. So I'm looking for a bullish recovery, man. So I'm fighting the urge to not long this. I'm about like $200 away from passing the account, but what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna come back tomorrow and pass it because I got to get out of the habit of trying to pass these accounts of one day to try to get to the funded side because you got to be consistent in the funded side. So I'm going to come back tomorrow and pass this and not do it today,
Yeah.
even though I have this urge to freaking do it. Let me look at the hourly chart. Yeah, I'm looking at the hourly chart on YM. And yeah, this shit's yeah. We fuck up if you want to. You fuck up if you want to. Let me look at a minute chart and see. Yeah, this thing just goes in one direction. You don't get break even once you win.
Yeah,
It
like
goes in
this
one
mess
direction. 'Cause
jump.
I'm looking at a 1 minute chart, and once it starts going, it goes. But it does look like they're about to trap high on YM. Does look like they're going to try to trap high here. Let's see if the bears are going to be successful. I mean, with all this bearish momentum, I wouldn't be surprised if they trap low or trap high and drop it. But at the same time, we did touch a high level of demand on both the Nasdaq and the ES. This is high demand right here. Well, this is high
Buy or
demand,
sweep
and this is
ES.
the last line of
Buy or
defense.
sweep ES.
If both of these instruments fail at this level, then we have a lot more room for downside. A lot more.
Big question. Do we see a bounce here? I mean, I think we can see a bounce, but like you said, they could trap. I mean, because if you're a bull, right, and you just witnessed all of this, and let's just say you weren't liquidity, let's say you just sat it out and witnessed all of this and did not participate in the short at all, and you're a bull, wouldn't you want to long this?
Stop ES5.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. But,
Especially, oh, go ahead.
yeah, no, go ahead.
No, because like especially it hit demand. If you look at my chart, it hit. Well, I guess I don't have it marked out on this chart, but I have it marked out on.
Buy stop and Q.
If you look on my higher time frame chart, like it literally hit demand. That's why I was looking at this area at 465 to 60 was my range. And then when I saw that it stopped at 65, that's when I started to trail my stop. And this is what I have to start doing. I have to start trusting the charts and stop trying to tell the charts what to do because I can get stubborn to the point to where I will call something out and you hear me call it out. And then I will say, nah, no, I'm going to inverse that. And then I find out and say, nah, it can get much lower when I'm in an emotional state. But when I'm not in an emotional state and it's like, it's obvious it's going to bounce somewhere in this area. So this is where I should look to take profits. Or if I want to be a bull, to get in long. And it bounced perfectly at 465. Perfectly. Even. 465 even. So I'm just glad I trusted myself in this one. Or not trust myself, but actually executed and moved my stop down. Because if I was still looking for that 60 target, man, my feelings would have been hurt right now, man. My
Yeah.
feelings would have been hurt.
Yeah. And you can't really be stubborn on the ES like that.
Yeah.
Execution has to be perfect. You're perfect. I mean, okay, so it's dropped. I mean, it's pumped up from the bottom like 60 something points. I mean, is that it? Or
I mean, I think so we saw that break at so I'm going to make the assumption that if price gets back up to 1995 or somewhere in that area, we're going to see a drop. If price trades back up into that area, we might see a rejection at 1975, but possibly 115 to 1995 is going to be a range that I'm going to be looking for the bears to try to come back in and short this and possibly double bottom. But I do expect for the bulls to at least probably bottom out, at least right here. I mean, we may get additional room for downside, but I'm thinking that we might see that with AMD earnings. However,
You don't believe in AMD?
No, well, the company, no, but the narrative that the market wants to try to, a woman CEO, she's running the company. AMD's the best it's ever been. It's from what I've seen, it's if they can spin a good story, the market will buy based off that. Even if Nvidia comes in bad, because Tesla's been doing it for years. I mean, look at Tesla. They've been saying that they're going to do stuff. They're going to be the first to do stuff. They got so much stuff in the works, blah, 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 blah. And yet another company beat them to autonomous taxis. I mean, a lot of companies are beating Tesla at the stuff that they said that they're going to be a leader in. And yet people are still buying Tesla based off of the story that Tesla is telling to the market. And I think AMD has that same story. Like I said, it's a female CEO. You really don't have too many of those. She's doing a good job in sense of company-wise. Even if they have bad numbers, if she provides good guidance and confidence that we can do better, we can push this company forward, and we can be at the forefront, then that will get investors to buy. And now I'm just starting to realize that that's just what the stock market is now, honestly. So we'll see. I do think that we get I think AMD pumps. I'm going to say that AMD pumps earnings this afternoon.
Think it pumps and
I think it pumps because look at Kathy Woods. Why do investors keep giving her money? The story. I mean, obviously, I mean she's basically a meme right now.
She's
a meme at this point.
She been making critical mistakes.
And it's like, dude, you talk about selling at the wrong time, like, and then she told her investors that we don't think Nvidia has what it takes, and then it takes off after she sells it, and then she buys Tesla and it dumps. Like, dude, how can you be so like? You're supposed to be an insider. You're supposed to have more influence than that. You're supposed to. You're supposed to know these things. But people still keep giving her money is because I mean it's the story. I mean that's all people care about. So.
Well, I don't know why they keep giving her money, but she does have her timing has been pretty crucial in selling Nvidia, like you said, and it takes off. It like 3-4x's from there from when she sold, and then I was like, oh my gosh, that's gotta be painful.
I mean, at this point, if you have your money in her fund, I mean, a lot of people will come and say, I mean, her fund is up overall. Okay. Okay. If that's what you want, that will make you sleep better at night. I'd rather be in a fund where they say, you know what, Nvidia is going to pump, and I'm a trillionaire because I bought Nvidia at the bottom, or the people that I'm entrusted to do that, they bought it at this bottom.
Trillionaire. So I got a question for y'all. Do y'all think, all right, current, as the market stands currently, do y'all think Nvidia can become a $5 trillion company in valuation?
Trillion?
5 trillion. I think it's currently, what is it, still at 3 trillion valuation.
That 3 trillion BDE confidence. I still laugh at that meme.
That leather jacket. That leather jacket. When that leather jacket come out.
That is so funny, man. That is hilarious. I think so, man. I think so. I think. Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, in like 6 to 10 years.
Shoot, I'll give it to the end of the week.
He said make it 10 trillion or bust. $10 trillion. Okay, that's asking a lot. I'm talking.
Can do it, man.
I'm talking like, let's say like a 10-year time frame.
No, dude, y'all saying 10 years, dude. The end of the week.
End of the week.
End of the week.
Powell. Powell's gonna
Yeah, we
come.
got Puppet Pal. We got Apple and Amazon, and we have non-farm.
Oh yeah. Let me look. So we got what? Oh, we got Microsoft today. Microsoft earnings today. AMD today. Who else?
Okay, so from 65 prices up about what 15 points,
The week.
15, 18 points from that call out. Yeah, if I took that long, no, like I said, I got to stop myself from doing that. Come back tomorrow, make the rest of the money, and yeah. But I have to get my money back in that other account first. I wish I stayed in my. So I had on stream, like I said, I want my stream to be more focused on more smaller size for inexperienced traders, but I had heavy size on the account off stream. That's why I was like, yo, just give me 502. Like, don't do this to me. Don't do it. And then I was trailing it because like, dude, I was so heavy. And I think I was full port almost. I think I was like one contract away from being full port. And so I was just trailing. I was like, yo, I am not allowing this thing to come back. And man, if I held it, I would have probably been up like 3K in that account because I was full port in that account if I just held it to my target.
Dang.
And you see that with smaller size, you can manage your emotions better. But when you're heavy, you're not really looking at the chart. You're just looking at your target being hit. That's it. You don't care about nothing else. But yeah, I'm glad I caught that move. But all right, man. I don't know if you're done, but yeah, I think I'm done. And I got this meeting in the next 10 minutes, so.
Okay, yeah. I mean, do it again tomorrow. I think this could potentially flip here, but it's starting to look like the Bears are trying to.
No, those are just the rainbow bears. Those are rainbow bears. The ones that like to come in short into demand. Yo, I guess you can't be mad at them because they're consistent. They like to short into demand, and it's so crazy. So you go long at demand right here. So let's just say that you got in at the call out. And I guess what you're up about 60 points. How many points did it? About like 60 points. Let's whatever. And then your target is, just maybe at 1975. And you got these rainbow bears trying to short the bottom. When instead of shorting the top and making this short easy for everybody,
Stop and queue.
they was all scared and timid and want to come in strong at the bottom. Like, I guess the rainbow bears are consistent too, I guess. They just love shorting the bottom. I guess these are the guys on Wall Street bets that just love shorting the bottom and buying tops.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh man, but they got orders that stacked up at 970. Yeah, 18,975. Oh no. I mean,
look at the higher time frame chart. I don't know if you look at my stream, but we have 3 bullish candles to the upside. This ain't going down no time soon. I mean, okay, let me rephrase that. I mean, the bears can. I mean, I guess they could, but we got 3 bearish candles, which. Okay, never mind. I'm looking at the yes. The Nasdaq is kind of looking a little bit bearish.
there is demand down here though. I give them that. There is a wide range of demand.
Sell stop and queue.
Look, and they're trying to take it back down now.
Sell stop
But
and queue.
it might be. I think it could be a fake out though.
I think so. Like I said,
Potential double.
I mean,
bottom.
you know that there's demand because of how it ran away.
Yeah. Potential double bottom, maybe.
Yeah, possibly. If you look at YM trapped high, like, okay, so I guess the technicals work on YM too, huh?
Yeah, trapped high.
Because it trapped high at so when I said that it looks like it's about to trap high, I guess it did. It trapped high and now it's trading to the downside. I might look at YM if it trades in a technical. So if YM is the real middle child or the baby between Nasdaq and ES, where it moves like the Nasdaq and it trades like the ES, I won't mind having that as a secondary as well. Actually, let's put that on the chart.
Look at him. Oh shoot. Well, they broke this trend line. This move up. See,
I don't know.
yeah, this would be, yeah, this would not be a good. If I was gonna if I was gonna trade, I'd say stay out of this area until it finds a. Because the demand is like a wide range that I see on mine. Like, I could see them getting back to that. Oh, okay, they took those orders off, but I could see them getting back to that like 970 area.
All right, so where's the pre-market high, pre-market low? So let's see if if it follows levels like the Nasdaq. So this was the high and low. So let's draw the golden fibs on this and see. Have you tried drawing the golden fibs on this?
On YM? No.
Yeah.
No,
I mean, it rejected perfectly at its golden fib. It rejected perfectly, bro.
I did.
So YM does like it has more room for downside. We could possibly see 726. We could see that. Huh. YM, huh? Stick this to the left.
Gold, huh? Where's gold at? Where your gold traders at? It's up,
you know, like
up 55 points right now.
It bounced at the so, I mean, gold likes his golden fibs. Like, if you look at my stream and my chart, it rejected off this golden fib, it bounced off of this one. So gold likes the golden fibs and the 23% as well, because it does seem that it does find support and resistance at the golden fibs in the 23%.
Gold, huh?
Sell stop NQ.
No, but yeah, YM's looking hella bearish, I feel like.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's not YM's not done. YM is not done. It still has more room for downside. YM is definitely not done. Yeah, I think they're gonna try to double bottom it at this at 720. They're gonna try to double bottom it. But there's man. Okay, so this is what I'll do. I'm gonna get into this other account. I'm gonna get into this other account. No, I'll wait. No, I'm not trading 2 accounts in one day. I'm not.
Yeah.
I just wait.
Yeah, chill out.
Yeah, I'll chill out. Let the market do whatever it needs to do this afternoon, then we'll come back and pre-market. Do it again.
All right, man. Yeah, I'm about to call it, but on my NQ side, my NQ is biased to the downside, more downside.
Iceberg ES buy. Sell stop NQ.
But yeah, and then where could we potentially go? Shoot. Sky's the limit for NQ, but for a target, if I had to choose.
ES buy.
Well, damn. I say give me 950. That's only, 30 points away. 44.
So I know Alfred was saying 900. Looking at the charts, I do see why he said that. I'm thinking more 908 because I'll just put my big chart on. Put the big chart on. If you look to the left, 908 has been support and resistance in the past. So I'm going to make the assumption that I do see that 950 that you're talking about. That has been. Oh, actually, yeah, like 950, 940. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, I was gonna say 944, but I mean we're so close to that anyway that it might try to go to the bottom of this. You think NQ could test at 880 again? I mean, she could do it. I ain't gonna put nothing past her.
She could do it.
Iceberg
But I think we'd have some
Sell stop
resistance.
and
At
Q.
least some bulls come in the 940s.
Yeah, because they've been coming in consistently around 930, 940, 950. So the Bears are definitely going to have a hard time
Iceberg
getting through
buy.
that. We do
Sell
have some
stop and
support
Q.
here at
Sell stop
912,
exhausting and Q.
915. So I'm thinking that, yeah, that's going to probably be an area as well.
Damn, here goes the second. Here they go. Damn,
Iceberg
NQ.
buy.
Trap them.
Sell stop
Trap them
exhausting
long.
and Q.
See?
Sell iceberg and Q.
Trap.
Sell stop and Q.
Trap them
Well,
long.
okay, so I don't know. They actually might double bottom. Actually, I might take this,
Buy
yo.
stop
Yeah,
and Q.
hey, chill out.
Oh my God,
Nah,
if I
don't-
take this,
Nah,
okay.
don't
Like
do
I
that.
won't take it. I won't take it. But
Yeah,
this is what I'm
don't.
looking at. I'll draw it out.
Iceberg
Yo, we
sell.
saw this move up, which broke this structure right here, and then we saw a two-legged pullback back into the support for a double bottom. This is a risk-reward trade right here. 2 or 3 stops underneath, 2 or 3 points underneath this low for a possible retest of this high. That's a good risk reward trade. Good risk to reward. But I'm not going to take it.
Not if
I'm going to take
NQ.
my win today.
Yeah, not if
So what?
NQ. Not if NQ keeps pushing this down. I think she'll take ES with it, cause
Yeah,
Iceberg buy.
yeah. I think so too.
yeah. Look at this.
So we might actually see that 60.
Look at NQ pushing new lows.
Stop
Wow.
ES
Wow.
Wow, and NQ is still respecting fibs I drew like 2 or 3 days ago. It's still respecting these fib levels. It bounced, it rejected right at this golden zone, and it's finding support right here at the 23%.
Yo,
At
if
948.
if it makes it through that and goes to that next golden fib down and bounces there, we know the bulls came in down there.
You talk about like at 890?
Yeah, that 880, 890 range. It
Yeah.
does that, man.
It'll be literally a double bottom at this low. And honestly, that would be the ultimate risk to reward trade right here. I mean, shit, a couple of points underneath this low. Why not? Why not? Because from this low, we had this massive move to the upside. So there's definitely unfilled orders here. Now, we might get a stop run, so they might actually take it to 866. But, yeah, they might sweep this low first before they move it back up. But that's a good risk to reward trade on the NASDAQ.
She made it to the golden fib on my chart, on my 5-minute.
Dang, what did they actually do bounce it at? Man, I should have stayed in that damn short.
No. Okay. All right, I'm about to go for real.
All right, guys. I appreciate you guys joining. Hey, we'll do this again tomorrow, man. We'll do it every day. As long as the market's open, we're open, baby.
They could go for this 200. Okay. I'm done. All right.
Hold on. You got a piece of that?
No. No, I didn't. I'm good. Good, man.
Hey, Smith's physical risk manager. He's about to relapse.
He's about to relapse.
He's about to relapse. He needs help.
Stop it.
But all right, guys, I'm in my
Help.
stream here. I got this meeting to go to. So, peace out.
All right, later, bro. Later, everyone.